Ready. Ask me the question. How food?
I'm not feeling nothing.
Yeah, peeps, the food wicked money, no? Mad.
We are going to a bush. Apple. Yeah, them apple and already yet, you know. Yeah. Apple and already yet still, but them a come through. Grapefruit in a tree. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You see somebody look like he good.
Yeah. Yeah, like that one.
So we always have light and you know smoke, you know. You know smoke I have light all the while. Eh?
I want to come out.
Chef always have a lighter. I'm going to take your lighter. Oh. Coconut. Spade boss outside. Dake, what your name? We need a name for you now.
Legend.
Your name?
Legend.
You say name Legend. Alright. So Legend outside. Yeah. Spade. Samuel the big chef over here. Always have him lighter. And him don't smoke. Fire active up in the people. Yeah. You know, chef here move fast, you know, chef all clean up the coconut already and everything. Yeah man. One go. And hold on, show the people them what go on. No, no must see Philip pass in a video with you know. Yeah man. Philip boss up on a nice tire piece, yeah.
Put them up in the hills where they come from. We up so.
Way up in the hills it a come from, you know. Up there so. Way up. We active up pot man. Pot a go active. We are gonna get some more ingredients because we're near to a shop there and thing.
Yeah, people, I get the fire kitchen now and thing.
You don't have to cook in such a big pot.
Just do it people of this now.
Get the fire kitchen up, people.
Have you ever done this before? Never have I ever.
Oh, there is smoke, there is fire. Yeah, people.
Oh, yeah, no,
We have some green peas, right? It's the same way. Get them shell up, you know, active.
Yeah. Oh, big dumpling.
I will just done make some Blue Mountain coffee in there, you know I go. So I get the pot clean up and now we set him on the fire. Yeah man.
What's the pot?
Yeah peeps, so you know I go check in when I pot up on the fire, you know.
Just a check in on the progress. Yeah, peas them a shell. What's that me going well, man? You almost done. Almost done.
Green peas and not taking time to cook.
Nah, take no time for cook. This is the real red peas. The real deal is people. This is the real deal. Real deal. Remember one time we used to all roast all peas, you know, man. Real deal that.
We just come across them pretty flowers and just show a little few of you see flowers them pretty. Nah lie, flowers them pretty man, you know. Cha. Just come across them and I say me and show you what go on. Flowers them pretty man. River active man. Yeah peeps, see Blue Mountain Coffee I was telling you about earlier. Nice Blue Mountain Coffee them.
Lighter striker now, guys. You know, it's our fire time for catch.
Active man, you know. People I get the coconut them wash now and grater.
Yeah.
Coconut solid man.
Get out the grater there.
What's the grater them boy?
Nice. Creative, really creative.
Yeah, man. Eat all the curries off.
Never seen this yet now in life.
You know why always me I get the coconut grater? God, I want to me have a grater on them. Well, I have a grater on and a greatest son.
You have to skill for grater coconut in a people. Mostly your grandmother that do them thing because you get enough cut when you do them thing. And cut up and do it again.
Move it before. Do it before. For me 3 teeth back.
Yeah guys, watch all that. All that 3 teeth for the pan base.
This all around the granny, eh? Yeah.
And I go like this.
Yeah. Let's throw that in a muffler.
Show now how going out the fork.
Yeah.
It's a 3 teeth fork, how wicked is.
Some dig out.
Yeah peeps. Coconut a great and beating.
Not sure.
Yeah peeps, the whole squad have something to do, you know, man, you know. Peas there so deal with. Coconut over there so greater. Fire active there so same way. We think there you know people. That's a showing the process you know people. You say it's a small process to progress, you know them way there. On my side, fire active you know. Peas we are going to put on here now. Fire red. Put on the peas and our green peas in there, so we don't have to worry, you know, man. Green peas easy for cooking, you know, man. Yeah, people, we are Can walk go down on the drinking spring, yeah? So you know, catch up some water, cause we want water on the base and now if you deal with the thing. Set on the peas with some water and now you have to meat the same way for clean up. Natural season did it for wash off. Kind of hills up there so. Be a plant and thing plant up there so you know. Yeah, my side it look like we reach around a drinking spring and now. The bath full up in jug and then we show you what go on. Yeah people. Full up some water and if you carry back on the base. Nice clean drinking water man, what you say? On the countryside. Yeah peeps, you're dropping the peas in the pot now, you know.
Yeah.
Fire well active now. Fire red.
I see. Yeah.
Peel it off, you know. Heat up full of red peas.
So I get in the garlic you know.
You know they have use even number thing.
Yeah, 3 you have to use and everything.
Odd number. No even. Odd number. You know?
But well active you know. Peas they on fire. You don't know say a green peas so that not take no time you know man. That I deal with quick you know.
Poison.
Yeah. No file no dey on the base so we have to use a different style.
But I use some stone and help me see
Different type of style man you people. You say meat you get clean up you know? Get the meat clean up you know peeps. Yeah people, so we are head up that way and now if we go pick 2 Sybil sweet or 2 lime or something. Get off your raw and it's off a chicken because you don't know. Can't deal with the chicken so boy. See there? I know if you can't see it you know. But see one there on the tree right there so. Yeah. Carry now. Go now a closer view. Oh, go on. Country lifestyle, you know. Big few of them, no man. Yeah. Sure. Oh, boy, people. Eat that? Great Sybil sweet. Some people call this sour orange. This must good man. No man, carry next one. Just a cause say even number not working our thing. Whereas at this a even number yeah. That one ain't no gas with me boy.
Oh yeah, we can find.
Yeah man, pick a next one man cause no work with them number and I'm mad. Crime tree but no drop out in a car. Don't know. That one day much I reach in a peeps. Yeah. So, see it here? 3 of them we have here so same way. You know? I head out back you know. Hey peeps, get some fire stick ready for it. Fire now same way. Yeah peeps, the ingredients them when you don't know say peas up on fire already. We got the rice we go the same way, carrot so. Got some fork so same way on the side, pepper, tomato, garlic, some scallion, you know so we can't do nothing without the time same way because time master, you see me?
Maggie no sponsor.
That's so
Yeah, so we don't Maggie.
Maggie all purpose same way.
Maggie is the best way to go. And better for curry.
You don't know it.
Make your pot taste better, you know.
The peeps, we get the civil sweet them, you know. Clean up the chicken, you know. Get off some of the rawness off of the same way. Clean up the fowl.
Yeah.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, check in on the pews, watch it.
Pot a bubble, pot a bubble, pot a bubble.
Pot a bubble.
He's active man, you know.
You know? Just put in a scallion, you know, on the time. The due time.
No, then one day. Yeah, people, we are getting chicken cut up fine, and okay, you don't know, see a curry, cut him up fine. Yeah, man. Yeah, where chef say, don't do it so fast and cut up on yourself. Watch and learn. God, the machete sharp, that chop off a finger now. Cut off a pint of wing. Yeah, people, we are clean him up some more, take out some more thing. People, we are get some dirt on the pot, so when time we are scour, I mean hard to scour if you see it. Like what we show you, can use dirt the same way you can use your fab soap. Yeah. You see when clean. Remember what day we use it, you know. You see when get back clean. We are using them again and open the fire. Then so apply some dirt to you, so you know so when you're ready for scour it. In a hard. If you was not a subscriber watching now, get to season them, apply to chicken, and now start off with the garlic. Don't know. Let him clean up same way. We have everything we need for eating still. Got everything also. All our natural seasoning them. Got the curry there, so we all purpose everything. I say peeps, 3 peg of garlic we I use. No even number around here. To get in here all purpose same way. Few of them we got in people, so we just get in everything and make on see what go on. No, that cheap. Curry chicken and go mad. So, right so now peas like it done cook.
I do a transferation.
So we are going to transfer peas into that pot. Okay, don't know thing set.
What is a hot pot?
Mad. Transfer peas in a that. Okay, no rice and everything are going there. Make up back the fire now. Active up back everything. Put in the coconut juice in the peas. And be a thing. She want well set. Get in the coconut juice.
Yeah, I'm washing hand like that.
But I forgot wash your hand first and then apply some water. Coconut and then we juice in the same way. Let's strain the coconut now. The peas to get the coconut strain one time or so. Some people they using coconut powder, but you know countryside with the pants you know say dread nut we go find in our hills there. Yeah. I get him the coconut juice in the pot same time in the peeps. Yeah. Juice him one time, but we not to put no lip of water in there. Just want a little bit more juice and stay so.
Coconut rich,
yeah, can see a good nut. Put in the rest of the coconut juice the same way. Yeah people, so we are get the rice throughout and thing. Now if anything then they will pick it out the same way.
1 3 pound of rice here.
Because any little thing can rice, you know, so we make sure search him and pick out any little thing. All ingredients when you use food, just pick them out the same way. You know we get that work.
Yeah.
Because from this we get in the rice and thing.
I take a step down and I get saved when nothing go on. Kids are hungry and the youth still a yarn. Mama can't afford to buy the pampers to change the dirty clothes. He had not really got time in him. Nothing to bite it hard taste. What we think the expression on the on her face. Yes, to us if mother not a disgrace. Remember, we can't curse our trace. Well, the white scholar lip lips until we check them this. Link me strength, we get a pack of biscuits. I'm gonna work hard to run to achieve. See if we can feel back in necessary need. What about baby mother, pregnant and the kids still at seed? What we got to do can for the cannot think feed. Bills appear like bill of water rates. And the cable man and knock from we get from there. That step, even when nothing go on. Kids are hungry and the youth still a young. Mama can't afford to buy the pampers to change the dirty clothes. He ain't no really got time.
Yeah people, so we are get the skeleton and thing clean up now. You know. Put in peas you know. Big up the chef always, because the chef ever make everything active you know man. Get the skeleton and them clean up you know. Wash drop in the peas.
The chef clean off the scallion and everything and the time and
That's what I want to do.
put them up in the pot and cook
It's
them up.
just a rice and peas and chicken and go on. Rice and peas today. Yeah. It's so delicious. Delicious. Yeah. It's so delicious.
I think I go hard, man. I have to go hard, man.
Yeah guys, we are getting the scallion and the time you know on the peas. These are boil up and baiting.
I'm not dark.
I'm dark, brother.
Still a dark cup.
So taste him you know and see if you want the salt and so you want. Chef I say you want a little bit of salt no peeps.
I do enough salt again. Something like that, yeah.
Get in the salt and active up the pot.
Salt, brother.
Fling on back the pot cover you know. Apply some water and get the rice wash.
You know, so some people don't wash their rice. You know, so
Yeah, man. You have to wash your rice to the clean pan all the water. You see that?
Some people don't wash
Rice. Rice not clean no man, so you have to get the rice.
So
Wash and clean.
start.
Here peeps, so we get the rice wash one more time. Okay, you don't know say the rice no clean, so we have to get it wash again. Get out that color there. Kind of white, you know, so you have to make it come clear now. Yeah peeps, see it there? Get the rice wash a second time. Water bubble. You don't know say peas cook, so we apply rice you know. Yeah man. The pot a stir now. Man. Get on back the pot cover up on the pot same way. Yeah, DJ check in and all that. Build up the fire for the same way. See I want tangerine in the tree, same way. And if you don't see him, you must have seen him. You know. Yeah man, I want a small one. Watch your maca, you know. Bend down your tree and I see if I can catch you.
I try bending down. Yo, first tangerine tree, I see too much maca, you know.
Right peeps, let me see if I can bend it down and catch it. See it yeah? Small about reach him.
can this my local daughter?
So okay, feel like that. Yeah, you have an imaginary brain, you know. So I fine. Fine, effort. Good for your immune system. Tangerine. I lost of them this year now, you know. Lost of them.
People checking back on the pattern now and see what go on. If everything active.
Yeah.
Yeah, rice pretty. DJ I go check him and see what go on. How you go DJ?
Active, man.
Yeah. Check in now. Chef I go look what go on for the pot. Yeah man, rice pretty man you know. Get the pot off you know. Put on the meat on the fire. You know. Put on the pot now for put in the meat. Get up the fire active you know. Get the meat on the fire now my side. Yeah, peeps, you get in here you know. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, we are getting some garlic you know in the oil. Awesome. Yeah, peeps, we are getting a better pot curry in the pot you know. Bun some curry and thing. So when you burn the curry pot active more.
Catch fire the yes here. Very nice. Yes, step fine.
Notice.
What a garlic in that one.
Yeah man, we are burn the curry seed peeps. Yeah guys, we are getting the chicken now. Yeah peeps, over there so now we are getting the chicken now. Yeah peeps, up on the curry.
Whoa, brown man. I can see how brown man. Brown man.
Touch here dead.
So all brown got the right the meat out of the pot. Can't roast enough.
Roast and make a toast. Make a toast to good like.
Yeah peeps, just cover the pot and can go and do him thing you know.
Roast them off.
So we are getting natural seeds them clean up you know. You know.
Clean up and wash it, you know. Cut up them properly.
Yeah, we are getting scallion, onion, carrot, tomato, baiting. Get everything clean up. Get everything them wash and all peeps. Get them cut up you know and thing. The peeps and know so sometimes when you cut all onion and anything they burn your eye.
Just don't cut the eye part. That's
Get a pepper cut up in the same way. Yeah peeps and if it's too hot still in about. That's why we use one.
I mean, I cut the pin them, I cut the stuff. And everybody like pepper, so we use.
Get the carrot cut up in the same way. You don't know say every season of this. Cause curry well active. Get the carrot cut up in a some little cube size. Triangle or cube. Yeah guys, so we are cut up the skelly and them now same way. You know. We cut up everything. Natural season, well pretty. Peeps, so we got the natural season so cut up same way. Well beautiful and thing. Yeah peeps, see boss a piece of roast chicken the same way.
Scrape them off and nice, you know.
Boss say must scrape him off and nice him up you know.
Take off the burn part off him man. So a new style of dish you have, new style of plate. I call it banana leaf. So scrape them off. Nice them up.
Yeah peeps, so the chef say ma check in pan the chicken you know and make you know what go on. You can see what the chef have to say now no?
Yeah, man, stir up the pot, you know. Stir him out, you know.
Chef say ma stir up in pot and make you know see what go on. You know? Pan the curry chicken. Yeah man, everything active man in the pot there. Curry looking good and bathing. Chef like him I go taste it and I see what I want now.
Sweet and sour, yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah man. Chef saying active you know. Good. So we are checking back on the pot now. You know say night catch we and bathing. Checking back on the pot and
You know, say pot can come off now, guys.
Pot can come off.
yeah man, the pot can come off you know. Say I do add little water in there. Tell people so we add little more water in there to catch the more gravy you know. Eat couple stir them boy.
Something like him a burger.
Dry down man.
Too much is there.
See the peeps, take off the pot you know and be a thing. Yeah peeps, you know say night catch you and be a thing. So you go down on the block as the same way. Share out the food and thing. Cause night catch we. So we are go down on a little base now. Share out the food and be a thing. Boss, a course, cause boss want food. So I'm run out the pot.
I can't pot up here, I didn't run it down.
Yo, don't walk up fast you know, cause now I run out the pot. Yeah peeps, so night catch you now so. There so now I get the food active. Share out and DJ I get the food them share out. Yeah. Got some of our supporters them there same way.
Alright, see the babes.
Corey in a plate.
I want to take this first up.
Beautiful guys. Get the food them share out and thing. Pull them the peeps. Thing active man.
Oh, cheap on the rice, nothing, you know. Yeah, man.
You might get up that pot. You get up there.
Boy, I said cheap on the rice, enough.
Cheap on the rice, enough.
You might put that in pot and get up.
How much food are you?
Get up.
How much are we?
Oh, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Leave me good. Right now, I'm raw, you know. You know, you go.
The chef them nice. Female and share and anything like that.
Painting are going on our black my side.
That's it. Oh, you got me.
Yeah, get the next food share out as the same way.
Why
Bang, food. Well, pretty.
Rice and peas and a big some more please.
Get in the fort them in the food and no peeps here, no know. Thing active.
Pick up the one.
DJ sample film one and tell you know what going.
Let's cover the pot on the other man.
Yes, sir, man.
Active man.
Alright. The man say food active, come in there.
Bro, can't explain right now.
Say food wicked.
What machine I give myself
That is it. Yes, so we go Isco.
Food tastes nice.
Yeah, man, the boss say food tastes nice. Listen, my dog, tell him now.
Food bad. Coconut juice nice and right. Baddest thing.
Yeah, people say chef get film food share out and thing.
No,
Yeah, man. That's me around.
come.
Ready. Ask me the question. How food?
I'm not feeling nothing really.
Yeah, peeps, the food wicked, man, you know. Mad.
Get at me. So right about now we are washing pot them in people. Go while I watch the video to the end. So we now washing the pots.